can you hear the mosquitoes? Oh my God, they're so bad. Hundreds and hundreds of them. Come on, old granny. We're getting bit up. Okay, I'm trying to go for a walk. But the mosquitoes, okay, so we live in Minnesota. And we have had a lot of rain. Come on, Sammy. A lot of rain this year so far. And man almighty, do we have mosquitoes. Oh, you can probably hear them through my video. So Sammy's up there, covered in mosquitoes. Old granny, you gotta go faster. Come on, old granny. So the secret to mosquitoes, there is no secret. You can douse yourself in bug spray, wear lots of clothes. I have long sleeves on at 72. But you gotta go fast. You can't go slow because they will attack you if you go slow. So we're probably not gonna make it up to the pond tonight because we had a huge downpour of rain, and I think that these low spots are going to be too wet to get through. And I left my boots outside last night, and my boots got wet. Anyway, can you hear those mosquitoes? Oh my God, they're terrible. One bad thing about Minnesota, the mosquitoes. And the black flies. We don't have black flies yet, but they come out in August. And the black flies, they go after your ankles. I hate those things. Anyway, I am looking for a new tick medicine because the Simparica trio about killed Solo last time. So if you have any suggestions on tick medicines that are not ingestible and do not poison your dogs, let me know. I was going to see if there's been some turkeys up here. I was going to see if I could get them on camera, but it's going to be so wet. Some turkeys and some pheasants. Oh my God, they're so bad. Okay, if I get one, I'll put it on camera. We got a pheasant up here, so I'm going to walk up here. I'm not quite sure what animal that's making that noise. We definitely have a pheasant up here. Sammy, heel. 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 Oh. Oh, that's a coyote. Solo, heel. 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 Solo, heel. Come on. Come on. Okay, well, we got a coyote. Heel. I think that coyote's long gone, so that's good. It's scary though. Okay guys, we gotta go back. The mosquito